So we got this situation to handle. If f of 0 is 1 and f of 1 is 2 and this situation is equal to this situation, then find the value of f5. Now, look at this, how we will approach this kind of questions. So suppose that we will directly follow this equation. So f of x equals 1 by 2 times f of x plus 1 plus f of x plus 2. Okay. So suppose that directly you will try to calculate f of 5. So what will happen? Look at this. If you will replace x with 5, you will have 1 by 2 f of 6 plus f of 7. Now, to answer f of 5, you need f6 and f7. So don't you think that to answer f6, you will require f7 and f8? And to answer f of 7, we will require f8 and f9. Don't you think that this is more ugly than anything else? Okay, like if it is degrading, then we can take help of f0 and f1, but it is upgrading series, है ना? Means this is growing, no? If it is degrading, then we can connect. So what I'm suggesting you guys, just write bigger thing on the one side and smaller things on the other side, so that your function can look like a decreasing function. Okay, so suppose that it is 2 times f of x equals f of x plus 1 plus f of x plus 2. Now, can I keep f of x plus 2 on one side, and the remaining thing 2 times f of x equals f of x plus 1. Now look at this situation. If you will observe this situation, you will feel that yes, it is degrading series. है ना? Now look at this. You need what? f5. Okay. So look at this, how we will approach. So these guys are like, they have provided us f0 and f2. Okay. So what we will do, we will put x equals to 0. So if x equals to 0, f2 will become what? 2 times f0, 2 times f0 minus f of 1, and 2 times f0 is 1, so 2 times 1 is 2, minus f1 is also 2, which is 0. So we got the value of f2 as 0. Now we will try to upgrade. We will replace x with, wait, we need some space. So we got, if x is equal to 0, then we got this situation. Now, if x equals to 1, you will have a function which will give you f3. f3 is what? 2 times f1 minus f of 2. Now, you know that f1 is 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, and f2 is, it's a 0. Recently you have calculated, no? Minus 0. So we got 4. Okay. So we got f3 as this. Now what do we want? We want x to take 2. So our bubble, means cloud, will look like whom? f4. So who is f4? 2 times f2 minus f of 3. So who is f2? f2 is 0. So 2 times 0 is 0, minus f3. f3 is 4. Now we got f of 4 as minus of 4. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now let's upgrade. So x equals to 3. So this time we will have f4 as, sorry, this thing will become 5. So f5 will become what? 2 times f3 minus f4. So f3, who is f3? f3 is 4. So 4 twos are 8 minus f4. So minus of minus 4. So it will become plus of 12. So the required value f5 is what? Plus of 12. I hope you got the idea, and hopefully you guys can connect this thing with upcoming questions. Okay.